Work. Got stop 3. It's going to YouTube. 1 pick, 3 stops. Stop 2. No, man, it's going on YouTube. Stop 1. Stop 2. All that stop 3 back. 1 pick, 3 stop. It right there. 1 pick, 3 drops. Look, this is the same broker that just brought me down here from New York. Now he bringing me home to Florida. Right? When you do good work, brokers keep you in. You know, I'm still beefing with them, but you know, when you do good work for them, they look out for you sometimes. You know, so this 1 pick 3. This 3 stops, 3 individual stops, guys. 1 location. All of us done. Yeah, just like that. But yeah, man, we on our way to Florida. Y'all rocking with me. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. I feel like going to the gym, got lazy, so I'm gonna do a little something before my time come up and take a shower. Whatever that is. Spot 4. I got about 100 push-ups. So, you know, first load right there. It's dope. This is nice. One load down, 2 more to go. Yes, sir. Time. Yes, sir. Okay, first stop is done. Dude gave me a nice tip too, man. I had to help him offload it. Before I tell people, man, look, you see that they're having a challenge, even though they're supposed to offload it, because it was like a house type. I don't know what it was. I guess it was like a mansion, like mini mansion. Nice house though. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you. You should see either I already showed it or I'm gonna show it. He had like a James Bond car.
Exit the traffic circle onto North Miami.
In half a mile at the roundabout, take the second exit onto North Tamiami Trail.
Take the 3rd exit onto 10th Street.
I had like 3 GPS going. But yeah, it was a nice house too, man. They had like a Secret Service type vibe. Well, he gave me a nice. He had the James Bond car. Might be. Hey, he gave me a nice tip. I offloaded. I didn't help him. I offloaded. But he couldn't have did it himself.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto North Tamiami Trail.
He gave me a tip. Broker gonna look out for me also. I let the broker know. See that, guys? Yeah, blessed when you do good. Broker gonna look out for me also. So, yeah, first stop is done. I got 2 more stops. But they're in Miami, just 3 hours away. And And if you know anything about Miami traffic is serious. So yeah. But that's it, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all today. I don't know if you can see how high the water is, but this is from the hurricane right here. This is Fort Myers area. Now look over there. That water is high. Yes, sir. Hey, welcome to Florida. This is what I hate the most. It's only one person gassing up. Where all these truck drivers at? I've been sitting here for a minute. So that means they already more than likely they already gassed up. They done walked inside doing whatever they doing. Like, come on, man. It seems like this happens when I'm in a rush. At least he's gassing up. Ain't nobody else gassing up. Nope. This is what they call Alligator Alley, y'all. Yes, there's alligator in this alley. They be everywhere. They're everywhere. Well, somewhere over there. One over there. Trust me, you can see if I can see some. Guarantee you can see that one or two laying on the side of the road. There's no water right here. Okay, they must be down there. Third stop. I had a third one and the second one drop off here. Empty, boy. All right, y'all, that is it. That is it. Job done. On Friday, trying to go home because I had to help offload because it was late. It was late. Oh yeah, I got paid pretty good for it. So the second stop and the first stop got dropped off here. I mean, the second stop and the third stop got dropped off here. Because the second stop was closed. Apparently, it's like a shipping place, so the broker told me I could drop off there. The broker had to negotiate with the guy, because they was about to close too, that I would help him offload. Also, his negotiators to get him to take it. So, now he got to negotiate with him. So yeah, broker paid me pretty well, y'all. Broker paid me pretty well to help him offload. It's all right. I don't mind working if you paying me right. So that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching. You know it's your boy Lando. I am the man, dude. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share. You know the whole YouTube stuff. Look at my eyes. I'm tired. I look tired, right? I'm tired, man. I'm about to head on home. It's still early. Good timing. 6:24. So we got Friday. Now I got to go home and take wifey out. Be gone for 2 weeks. You know what I mean? Keep her happy too. So yeah, y'all, appreciate y'all again. It's your boy Lando. And